Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you I received again all the money in Bitcoin. I received my full payment of my reward in Bitcoin because I paid the electricity. Today, the services was a little bit higher, but I received again the Bitcoin. I'm waiting to receive in assets my Bitcoin because needs to be 1-2 hours after I receive to bring it in my wallet, and I will have $37 in Bitcoin, worth of Bitcoin. After that, tomorrow we'll have just under $1 to pay electricity, and we're starting again paying in Bitcoin. Today price is 8,700 Bitcoin price, and I want to convert the Bitcoin in USDC or GoMining tokens because I want to upgrade my biggest miner by month with $40 per month. If the price stay like this, I will pay $40 or I will cancel the monthly payment. I will get 3.5 terahash per month at the final 12 months, but I will pay it with the Bitcoin I have, and I think until next month I can get another $40 reward, and my miners will pay after will pay my miners just with rewards. My dashboard looks like I received in total $143 with 6 miners with a power of 109 terahash and 15 watts per terahash. The marketplace today, let's see how it looks if we put some filters, because I want to pay $40 to get 3 and 25 terahash, but let's see if 3 terahash are cheaper here than the price of GoMining upgrade. Let's see. We go here, sort by lowest price per terahash, and we see here just a little bit, 38 and 40, not 39.99, with a return of investment of 50 to 90%. I don't know if I'll get it from here, because I will create again a new miner, and I want to upgrade these miners because I think 6 miners are enough. I have one of 11 and a half, 9 and a half, 2, 1, and this of 85. The price of Bitcoin today, it's on Bybit 8,750. How it looks, it's a channel going up, and we have here at 65 power, and here at 85 you have this support here, and I think it will be a resistance if we go to the 85. From here the Bitcoin can go down, and if we go down, it's maybe the price will be 74. I don't know. I want to wait and sell all my Bitcoin if it's going down. If it's going up, we'll invest more in mining. And if it's going down, we invest uh, more and more because it's cheaper to buy. But today price, I don't know what to say. From some days stays at 80,000. But it's Sunday. It's the final of the week. We'll see how this final day will go on weekly chart, and after that we can make a decision about what to do next week. So I'm waiting for this Bitcoin and trying to sell to buy 3 terahash and make more power. This is my channel, Daniel Popa Crypto. Thank you for views on this episode. It's incredible because we just started yesterday and we have 23 views because here are not all, and we have 4 shorts. This just I uploaded and have no views, but these 3 got some. Please go and subscribe and stay update every day about what my GoMining account does. And if you want to join, you will have the link in the description or in the description of this channel here. This channel is not just about the GoMining, but I'll start it with GoMining, and after I get another apps with real results and trusted apps, I will show to you. It's not a financial advice. I'm not a pro, but this is what I do, and if you have interest, you can join by clicking the link below. My English is not perfect. Hope you understand what I say here. Maybe I'll have to go and buy some more GoMining to pay the electricity and give rewards in Bitcoin higher, because if the price going up, it's worth to pay in GoMining than the Bitcoin, because you can sell the Bitcoin for 2% commission and get the dollars. If the price is going down of Bitcoin, maybe it's not worth to pay in GoMining. But please tell me in the comments what you did, how your GoMining account looks, and if you want to know something about this, give me a comment and I will try to answer you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.